This start up? You gonna start it up? All right, see what she sound like. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, and I am back with another video, man. If it look like I got the same outfit I had on when I did the review of the Range Rover, it is because I am actually headed to make some additions to my exhaust, man. So we're gonna actually do something to the exhaust today. I have been against doing something to my exhaust for last almost 2 years I had this truck? How long I had this truck? I don't know, but anyway, I've been against it because if you don't know, the first time I come across the video, I have a 2015 F-150 XLT 3.5 Ecoboost. And I have not heard any setup with exhaust aftermarket that I like with the Ecoboost. It just sounds ricey, and I was worried about, I didn't want my truck sounding like a ricer, man. So I was just very worried about that. I came across a video about somebody deleting their resonators. I was like, okay, the Resonator Delete doesn't sound too bad. It sounded okay, and from what I read in the comments, a lot of people were saying that it didn't give you that ricey sound. You can't even hear it unless you're really like on wide open throttle. It really just gives you a good pitch startup, and when you really get on it, you kind of get that sound. But other than that, there's no drone, there's no loss in performance, and it doesn't affect your turbos. And I believe some people say make a turbo whistle a little louder. Another guy reached out to me. My man name was Nick down in Houston. He has a 3.5 Ecoboost with F-150. He told me about his and like, hey man, just go with the Resonator Delete. And it's funny, he reached out to me because I had highly been contemplating doing the Resonator Delete. I was scared to pull the trigger. And he like, man, trust me, dude, you will like it, don't worry about it. And I asked him to send me a sound clip. So he actually sent me a sound clip on IG, and I post his IG name either right here or back when I first said his name. He sent me a sound clip of his F-150 with the startup, and it was a warm start with just the Resonator Delete. He didn't order like a special Corsa pipe or anything like some people do. He just says it's just a straight pipe that welded on. And he's like, yeah, man, this is the sound. And I heard it, and I'm like, bro, that is perfect for what I'm looking for. He really was the deciding factor that went ahead and pushed me to go ahead and get this done. So Nick, shout out to you, man. I appreciate you watching the videos and reaching out to me. So I'm on my way right now to the exhaust shop. My appointment's at 4:30 to go ahead and get everything done. The guy said it should take about 45 minutes, an hour to get it done. I know a lot of people don't weld it and did bolt on. You can order the Corsa and all that. I'm not finna order all that for a Resonator Delete, man. You know, I just don't think I ain't gonna say I think it's worth it, but I'm just not going to. I mean, the job I'm getting, he charging me $65 for it. Some people do a bolt on, so that way if they want to put the stock resonators back on, you can. But me personally, I'm not worried about that because my truck is not stock, and it's not gonna be taken back to stock if I do trade it in or sell it. So it don't really matter. So you're gonna get what you get. So hopefully it comes out good. I'm a little nervous because I told myself I was not gonna touch this freaking exhaust on this truck, man. I just was not up to it, but I love sound, guys. My Ram F-150 had the 50 series Flowmasters on it, and that thing, I love the way that truck sounds.
That man was gone.
I like my vehicles to sound good. I don't really want loud, crazy, if that makes sense. I'm more concerned with just an overall good sound. 50 series Flowmaster.
400 feet, turn left on K Avenue.
Sounded great. It wasn't loud.
Turn left on K Avenue.
Jesus Christ, why are you giving so many instructions? Man. All right, guys, so we just got here. He just hopped in, red right there. It's funny, this is the same guy that did my Ram F-150. He said it's been a long time. It was a funny story how I remember me. I told him he probably didn't remember me because it's been a long time for one. Let's see, he get red up there. But it's been a long time for one. There he goes. She looked good, man. She looking good. Did it? He like, I do a lot of trucks. I don't remember. But I said, I gave you a little notepad because I remember him when he was talking to me. He never has nothing to like write his notepad, his notes on. He was using like cardboard and stuff to write his notes. And so I just took note of that. I forgot about you the notepad. He like, oh yeah, I do remember that, man. That's a little spiral. So let's just show you, man, doing like a little something nice for people. Small gesture, spiral like $1. People remember. It's been 2 or 3 years later. He still remember that. So anyway, man, they actually raising it up right now. So where's the resonators at? Right here.
We got one right there.
That big brown thingy?
Yeah, that's
okay.
the resonator.
That's
right
what we taking off?
Yeah.
You just gonna put like a straight pipe weld on?
Yeah,
okay.
Take that off. All the pipes in place.
Okay. Cool. You mind if I watch some of it?
No, you're good.
Oh, okay, cool. there it is, guys. How heavy is this thing?
Not too heavy.
Oh, it's a little warm. Ah, shit. Hey, don't touch a warm, don't touch a resonator you've been driving, man. Shit's kind of hot. But it's not too heavy, man. It's about 7 pounds or so. Jeez, I ain't know it'd get that hot. I got on my nice work clothes, so I got mud on my hands. I don't know if do my guy. So that's what it looks like right there, as you can see, with the resonator deleted. So here's the pipe you're coming with. This little pipe. Scarlett, no face stuff?
Yeah, I'm about to get it.
Oh, I'm about to say shit. You brave.
Yeah, I'm about to put it on.
Oh shit, fuck that. I'm gonna stand back here and let the test work. Oh yeah, nah, they get too close to me. All right, guys, that's done. How long it took you? About 10 minutes? About 10, 12 minutes to do that, man. That's crazy. But how long you been doing this, what you said?
About
15 years. This start up? You gonna start it up? All right, see what she sounds like. Not too bad. To be honest, I thought it'd be a little throatier, but it is warm. But we'll see. I thought it would be a little more. Throatier, but not too bad. We'll rev it up when I get home. Maybe a cold start. But yeah, that's it. It's done. I like this bike over here too. What are y'all doing to this? What the hell is this, man?
I made a 50 caliber sniper rifle out of this.
Like fuses?
Yeah, like spark plugs.
I mean, yeah, spark plugs. My bad.
Transmission shaft, axle.
What?
Like a timing chain, motorcycle chain.
Yeah. You made this, man?
Yeah,
dude.
this morning. And then that little seahorse.
That is. What did you got to hold this together? Like what? Oh, you welded. You welded everything together.
Everything welded together.
Yeah. Oh man. So go ahead. You want to shout out where you at, man? Here, people want to come by.
Forever Art by Tommy. Look me up on Instagram and Facebook.
It's just Forever Art by Tommy.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Cool.
Right,
what about your shop here?
This is Exhaust Authority. We do full automotive service,
okay,
electrical, diagnostic, whatever you need.
All right, Tommy, right?
Yeah.
I appreciate it, Tommy.
Right,
man. Yeah, this is cool though, man. Y'all look at this. Out of spark plugs, it doesn't shoot though, right?
No,
that's still pretty cool, man. Oh, my bad.
There you go. It's just decoration.
Look, I would be the one that want to touch it, man. I like to touch stuff. I appreciate it, man. Oh, yep. I'm going to stay. All right, guys. So, not sure if y'all can see me, but I am done. Man, it took about 10 to 12 minutes. I thought the sound would be a little more throatier, but it is warm. But we'll see if we can hear it on the startup here. But the good thing about it, man, see what happens when you meet good people and they do good service, man. He charged me 50 bucks for it. 50, man. That's crazy, because I believe on the phone it was a little more, but I mean, you just build relationships, man. Maybe it was a little spiral notebook. I don't know, Tommy. Hey, I appreciate you looking out, man. I appreciate the quick, fast, good work. I came here with my MagnaFlow 2 years ago and never had any issues, man. They're cool guy, good people. So again, that's Exhaust Authorities here. I believe it's Plano. I'll put it down there for you in their website. Give them a call. Great people, man. They do a good job always. So I'm about to go ahead and start Red up and see what she sounds like from the inside. Let's see. You can't really hear that much from the inside. To be honest, you can't hear it at all from the inside. But like I said, no Drake. She is warm, so of course you may not be able to hear it. Let me loop back around. It'd be easier. Ooh, that's a nice GMC over here. Look at this black thing right there. Let me show y'all. That thing is not. I don't care what nobody say. The new front end on the GMCs look dope as hell with a lift kit. Look at that. That thing is nasty. The front end looks so aggressive. So here we go. Let me see. First takeoff with it. Whew, man, this tune is moving. I can't hear the difference from the inside. Let's see. No, I don't hear anything from the inside, man. Sounds normal. I'm not gonna lie, I was probably hoping it would be a little more sound, but maybe it's more sound from the exterior than the interior. I can't be sure, but we'll try to find out. I'll try to get you out many angles as I can, but we're gonna go outside and rev it up. And also, if you're wondering, no, there is no check engine light on. There's nothing on like that. Nothing came, anything. Be good to go. And also, I did reach out to MPT Performance, because if you don't know, my car is tuned. I'm running the tune from MPT. I asked them, did I need a mod to a revision to my tune since I'm doing my resonators? And they like, no, tuning it, deleting your resonators, you're fine. You don't need a tune revision. I should be good to go. So just check if you have a tune, you're gonna do something like that. Make sure you don't need to get that tune revised. All right, let me put it by the exhaust really quick and see what it sounds like. Hold on. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and auto start it, see what it sounds like. Ooh, I like that. I like that. I'm pretty sure it's gonna sound even better with a cold start. Okay, that sounded good. Listen. Oh, sorry. Got y'all too close. You good? Hey guys, I'm gonna give y'all a quick cold start with the Resonator Delete. It's been like a few weeks now since I did this, but I never really got to close the video out because I don't know why I didn't. Anyway, this is with the GoPro. The last time I did it with my camera, so let's go ahead and get it. I just want to talk about one quick thing really quick. Nothing bad, just so here we go, cold start. Definitely hear the turbos, and there go the white smoke. But anyway, I mean, look at the tint, man. It looks good. But anyway, so just to sum it up, it's like a nice low rumble at when you're sitting like this, just sitting idling and at low RPM. Let me see if I can hear when I'm driving like that. Like I'm going about 6 miles an hour. So let's see. So y'all probably won't be able to hear, but definitely in the truck you can kind of hear. It gives just a nice rumble. On the wide open throttle, you really don't hear it too much. When you're really getting on it hard, not too much difference, honestly, than what I normally have heard. But let's see. Yeah, you hear it now for sure. It was about 20 miles an hour. But yeah, so if you want a nice little rumble, a little sound on startup and low idling and low MP, just kind of cruising, low miles an hour, excuse me, I'm talking MPG. Low miles per hour, just kind of cruising around, then I think the Resonator Delete is a good way to go. Here. You can hear just a tad, like you just barely a tad, but y'all watching, man. That's gonna be all. Catch y'all in the next baby. Peace.